Hey, what's up? Today I'm gonna show you how to reset your oil light on a 2017 Ford Taurus. So it's also the same thing for the 2018 and down, and I'm gonna show you how you do that. All right. So these are the button you're gonna use to navigate the screen right here. So you want to press the button to your left, and it's gonna bring up that menu right there. So you want to press down and scroll down all the way to settings, and then you want to press OK, and then you want to select vehicle in this setting. So yours might not be on vehicle. When you come here, just move up and down and it will take you to vehicle. Alright, so go to vehicle, go to vehicle right there, then you want to press OK, and there you go, wildlife reset. So if yours is not on there for any reason, you can always go up and down and select oil life reset, and then you press OK. Then it's gonna go there. Then you're gonna see whatever oil life you have remaining. This car is 15%. I already did the oil change, so it's just to reset the oil light. Alright, so you're gonna come right here and hold this down, and then you're gonna see that. Alright, I'm gonna say complete and go back to there. Then you let go of the button and press this key to the left and go back to your menu, go back to display mode, set up your RPM or whichever way you had it before. Alright, thank you guys for your love and support. I'm sorry. Thank you guys for your love and support. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Help me help you. Thumbs up. See you next time. Peace out.